This is the best time for pandemic, my friends. Why I am saying so? So many cases are coming positive. The hit ratio is high. But the best thing is 98% of all our friends, our colleagues, our all countrymen, they are not having any complaints, asymptomatic. So nice, na? Hospitalization is very low. The disease markers which were coming positive in Delta, they are always negative now. The criticality is low, mortality ratio is almost none. So this is the best time. And when it is the best time, I think it is the best time to go ahead and create a protective strategy which can help to finish this pandemic. Let me share with you what I can offer to the country, maybe to our society and to my patients. So my friends, you look here, as I said, this is the best time of pandemic, right? So I am bringing to you effective long-term COVID solution, my friend. We should have a long-term answer. Short-term answers can solve short questions, but the question remains, and we have to every time go by the tyranny and all the bad things that we are seeing in COVID, the insecurity stage. So we should have a long-term solution. So I say what we need to do, you look, best time to plan ahead is this time when the disease criticality is low, the manifestation of disease is low, because it gives time for everyone to come together and plan ahead. The planning has to be under a 4-point strategy. My friends, the first has to be a preventive protocol. A long-term preventive protocol is needed. Okay, then a therapeutic needs, we should understand what are the therapeutic needs that are going to come. And these therapeutic needs, we are going to think from two sides. Number one, from the patient point of view, what therapeutic things, medicine, resources, equipment, what are the things that will be needed? Second thing, from the system side, private system or the government system, what resources it needs to build up and at what time? What is the magnitude? When is the time when the magnitude is going to be high and the things have to be ready? Then it is, how can we stop the mutation? You see, my friends, world over the virus is mutating. This is a very intelligent virus, Sometimes it gives no complaints. Just like last time, there was a lull in the disease. There was less cases and suddenly we had this Delta wave and many people all around the globe we have lost. So this is because of the mutations. This Omicron, by God's grace, not by the grace of science, by God's grace, it is not causing more trouble. But when it mutates, it may cause trouble. So we have to stop this mutation. A strategy, when the whole world is running after the virus, is there any strategy where we stop this mutation? It has to be looked into. Then can we eradicate the COVID? We have to be very planning mode now. We have to be very researchful now to find a way how we can eradicate this COVID. Yes, my friends, I have a solution. I thought I should share with you. What's the thing I bring? Now let's see, my Atmaveda Yoga startup, it is into this health medical management strategy, and here we are also talking about the visionary health medical management strategy for COVID eradication. A long-term strategy, my friends, where I am talking about how we can finish this COVID. This recurring things of COVID has to be stopped. So what need to be done? Number one, I called it the armed strategy, ARMED. You have to arm ourselves. When I say that we have to arm ourselves, it means that we have to arm ourselves with proper intellect, proper tools, proper strategy, proper resources, proper therapeutic planning, and perfect preventive protocol. Now, the A in my armed strategy starts for adapt. We have to have such statistical data which helps us to adapt according to the forthcoming situations. Yes, my friends, now we are trying to adapt according to the situation that is happening. Current time adaptation. When we are fighting with an intelligent enemy like COVID, you have to have predictive tools which help you to predictively understand what needs to be adapted. And if we adapt first, according to what is going to happen later, I tell you, my friends, it will be a great success in finishing COVID. So A for adapt. Next, it is regulate. What is this regulate? We have to regulate the case influx that is coming. So we have to have a strategy where now the COVID is not going to decide how much cases it is going to make. Presently it is taking how many hit ratio is going to happen. We should be in a position where we regulate the number of positive cases, not by underreporting, not by changing the statistics, not by manipulating the data, but in such a best way, AI based way, what we have, we can regulate the number of cases. What is this regulation? We will have a strict control on the number of cases that could be positive. Now, if we regulate this, our resources can be perfectly planned. Number one, that can be done. Then moderate. We have to also have a control on the disease. The disease presentation. Delta was very high. Something before Delta, it was not very high, it was very low, less criticality. We were just very relaxed mode, and suddenly the Delta virus came and it created havoc. Today it is Omicron. Tomorrow, if there is another mutant, if there is something different presentation, we will have a big havoc again. Now this has to be stopped. We have to moderate our strategy in such a way that we are in control of what the disease presentation is going to come. Once we know this disease presentation, my friends, the disease pathogenesis which is going to happen, the predictive technology, then I will tell you the moderation of disease presentation will happen. The lessening of symptoms will happen. We will control the disease prognosis. This is the thing that is needed for COVID thing. Then the eradicate. Now the best thing what we can finish this COVID is we have to eradicate it. Now to eradicate it, number one, we have to stop the mutations. My friends, mutation happens only because of the host factors. If there are not good host factors, favorable host factors in a host cause mutation of a virus. If it doesn't get favorable host factors, mutation won't happen. You remember my video a long time back when I talked about mutation, I said it is going to come up to that extent till you have the host factors. Our technology, what we have developed, we can alter the host factors. Once I alter the host factors with our technology, preventive and therapeutic both, then the mutation will be controlled. Of course, this can be done only if the technology or this solution is used on a mass scale. Just like vaccinations are being used for mass scale, but the mode of vaccination is you put something in the body and you create a antibody and then it tries to fight with the disease. Our protocol is don't put anything in the body, understand the body, understand the doshas and modulate it, change it, regulate it so that it comes up with such a proper barrier that the virus cannot take advantage. This is where when the virus cannot take advantage, it cannot mutate. If it cannot mutate, it becomes helpless. That is the thing. Then disseminate. The last thing what I am saying of my ARM technology is disseminate this virus. The dissemination happens by A, R, M and E. You do control the adaptation, the regulation, the moderation and stop the mutation. The virus will be disseminated. And in all this process, my AI technology, my startup will help you to protect for next forthcoming viruses also, because every virus, though it has a virugenicity, but everything depends on the host. Atma Veda Yoga is all about the host. I make you better, I give you a protective Raksha Kavach, a shield, and I guarantee you, my friends, no virus will penetrate it. Thank you. Do consider armed strategy of Atma Veda Yoga. Atma Malik.